Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So I'm going to be styling this V-part curly, kind of blonde, brown highlighted wig for you guys. So of course, this unit is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is the unit here, of course. It was very beautiful. I love the curls and I love a good V-part wig. Now this one was a little bit tricky for me because of the color. So I'm going to definitely say that if you have hair color kind of similar to this unit, definitely go ahead and get this one. The links are in the description box below. But if you have black hair like me, I kind of struggled with blending my actual hair with this unit, even though the roots are black. It's just like, it just kind of looked a little bit kind of funny to me. Like it took me a minute to get my hair to really blend well with this. So as you guys have already just seen, I've been kind of working it, trying to see how I want to wear this unit. I tried so hard to style this unit without any leave out because I really loved this wig and I wanted to wear it just, you know, just the hair. I didn't want my hair to show, but let me tell you, I could not get the correct like part or the correct clip. I don't know, I just could not get it right to style it without any leave out. Now you definitely can wear a V-part wig without leave out, but I think my head was a little bit too big for this one because when I did do just the middle part, you know, and without any leave out, it just was a little bit uncomfortable just because the part was kind of pulling my natural part. I think you guys can kind of see it here. It's kind of tugging it a little too much. So I believe my head is a little bit too big for this one. But if you have a smaller head, definitely go ahead and try this one because this unit was definitely really nice. But anyway, I decided, okay, I'm gonna stop trying to style it without any leave out because it just clearly was not working. I mean, I tried everything that I knew to do and it just was not it for me. So I finally decided, okay, I'm gonna use just the slightest bit of leave out and try to blend that in with the hair, and that's what ended up working for me. So you're gonna see a little bit later, I did just a little bit of leave out, and then I kind of teased my natural hair to kind of blend into the back of this hair, and I kind of like just styled it in like kind of like a messy type of look. So thank goodness this hair is curly, so I was able to work it out in the end. So like I said, the description box has everything that you guys need if you're interested in this unit. I don't think I have anything else for you guys about this unit other than I didn't use any product. And you can see here just how nice this unit really is. Like this hair felt amazing, no shedding. It really didn't even need to be like brushed out or anything. Like you can definitely just take this out of the box and go ahead and wear it. So I would definitely recommend this one. It would just definitely be easier for someone with this color hair. So yeah, or a smaller head. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are getting anything out of my content or if you're enjoying it, please go ahead and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. At a place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and a lot of sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best. Where they speak southern slang and smoke like cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. To my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know. No, to all local international code. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I put you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. All my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I put you to myself, I can't help it. Me with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. Now don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly and steal the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake movies I paid them Benji. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Mickey, he try to get up a clone.
He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus. Can I please say my piece? If I fresh to death, I'm deceased. This one here is a heat rock, spit like the beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of beat rock. Before that bands I get CL up, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling, baby I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, baby I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Baby I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. What up, Pam? How your little man doing in New Jersey? Last I heard he caught the flu and you was worried. Hope he feels better. And thanks Jonetta from Cleveland for that good head and your Jetta. Better believe it. Shanice, you my piece from Compton. Before I'm off the plane, make sure you cop some trees to spark up. Danielle, ATL, got them pictures in the mail. You seal with a kiss if you send it with Chanel. You looking good in that one, showing off your body. At the Beverly Hills mommy that would buy me Cardi. The after parties, her name was Kari. It sucks that we didn't keep in touch, I'm sorry. But hey, Kim Haas, Minneapolis, you so pretty. Hate to show off the titties for silk classes, cause I love you girls, though you ain't mine. Wish my arms was long enough to hug you all at the same time. I'm calling, baby I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.